Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how long it takes for Monzo to verify your account. I know this is a question that a lot of people have, so I wanted to make a video about it to help you out. Before we get started, I just want to say that I'm not a financial advisor. The information in this video is for educational purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. So, let's get started. What is Monzo? Monzo is a mobile-only bank that was founded in the UK in 2015. It's a challenger bank, which means that it's not a traditional bank. Instead, it uses technology to offer its customers a better banking experience. One of the things that Monzo is known for is its fast and easy account opening process. You can open a Monzo account in just a few minutes. How long does it take for Monzo to verify your account? The amount of time it takes for Monzo to verify your account will vary depending on a number of factors, including the type of verification method you use, how busy Monzo is, how quickly you respond to Monzo's requests. However, in general, it should take no more than a few days for Monzo to verify your account. How to verify your Monzo account? There are a few different ways to verify your Monzo account. The most common way is to use facial recognition. To do this, you will need to take a selfie and upload it to your Monzo app. You can also verify your Monzo account using one of the following methods: bank statement, driving license, passport, national ID card. Once you have verified your Monzo account, you will be able to start using all of the features of the app. What happens if my account is not verified? If your Monzo account is not verified, you will not be able to use certain features of the app, such as making payments or withdrawing money. You will also not be able to increase your spending limit or overdraft limit. How can I speed up the verification process? There are a few things you can do to speed up the verification process. Make sure that you have all of the required documents ready. Upload your documents as soon as possible. Respond to any requests from Monzo quickly. Overall, it should take no more than a few days for Monzo to verify your account. However, there are a few things you can do to speed up the process. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I'll see you next time.